Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off antivirus on Windows 11. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, look for the third-party antivirus in the hidden apps icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you find it there, right-click on it and select the option to close or disable it. If you cannot find it in the hidden apps, you can also search for the antivirus program in your Start menu. Once you find it, follow the on-screen instructions to disable it. Next, to disable Windows' own antivirus, click on the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen to open the Start menu. From there, open your Windows settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the Windows settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will find the Windows Security option. Click on it and then select Virus and Threat Protection. Now, within the Virus and Threat Protection settings, find the Manage Settings option under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Click on it, and then you will see the Real-Time Protection feature. Simply toggle this feature off to disable Windows' own antivirus. So that's basically how you can turn off antivirus on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.